So I have a few columns like valid time, birth year, and location. So what I want to validate this column with some specific time. I only want user to enter the time in between these two timings, like between 2 and 5. Can I do this? I will select all those cells where I want to apply time validation, go to data, and then data validation, first option. You can see this window, then it's showing me the time, third last option. Data is in between. Start time, I will select this cell, press F4 to fix it, enter. End time, again this cell, press F4 to fix this, enter and press OK. Now the time validation has been applied. If I type anything before this time range, for example, if I try to type 1 o'clock, it won't let me type. So if I try to type like time outside this time range, it won't let me type. So